Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to read in secret direct message of Twitter of X, and this is an option in the settings of the app. So the first step is go to the application of X of Twitter, and after that you here in your feed you need to go to the superior left corner. This is the bubble of your profile here, where you got the photo of your profile. And here you need to go to the option of settings and privacy. So you pick here, and after that you need to go to the option of privacy and safety. So you pick here, and after that you need to go to direct message, the option of direct message. You pick here, and you need to disable the option of send read receive. So you disable this option, and the person here said let people your messenger would know when you have seen their message. So the person who sent you the message don't want to see if you read or not read that message. So you disable that option, and that's it. If you want to activate that option, the only thing you need to do is pick here in the switch again, and you got the option able again. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.